We have now come towards our second module, which is organizing. And the first chapter under that module is the fundamentals of organizing, which is chapter 7 of our POM course. Under this chapter, the topics that we are going to cover include an understanding of the organization function in general, an appreciation for the importance of organizing, then how the process of organizing flows, what's the classical organizing theory, and lastly, the span of management and the factors that influence its appropriateness. Organizing is the process of establishing orderly uses for resources within the management system. Correspondingly, organizing skill is the ability to establish orderly uses for resources within the management system. ये जो चैप्टर हमारा है ये ऑर्गेनाइजिंग पे फोकस करेगा एंड it will help you develop the target skill for organizing purpose, which is ultimately organizing skill. Orderly uses of resources emphasize the attainment of management system objectives and assist managers not only in making objectives apparent, but in clarifying which resources will be used to attain them. A primary focus of organizing is determining what individual employees will do in an organization and how their individual efforts should best be combined to advance the attainment of organizational objectives. ऑर्गेनाइजिंग का जो फंक्शन है वो मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम के लिए एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज वो एक प्राइमरी मैकेनिज्म है जिसके ज़रिए मैनेजर्स ने फर्स्ट स्टेप में जो प्लान्स बनाए थे उनको एक्टिवेट किया जा सकता है. Organizing creates and maintains relationships between all organizational resources by indicating which resources are to be used for specific activities and when, where, and how are they supposed to be used. Thorough organizing effort helps managers minimize costly weaknesses. वो costly weaknesses क्या हो सकती हैं कि कोई effort आपका duplicate तो नहीं हो रहा, 2 बार तो नहीं किया जा रहा, या कोई ऐसे organizational resources तो नहीं है जो idle रखे हुए हैं and they are not coming in any use and it's just a waste of cost. Some management theorists consider the organizing function so important that they advocate the creation of an organizing department within the management system. इस department की जो typical responsibilities हैं वो 3 primary responsibilities होती हैं. First, the department should periodically formulate reorganization plans that make the management system more effective and efficient. Companies, for example, typically restructure to devote more resources to profitable divisions and fewer resources to divisions losing money. So restructuring क्या होती है जब आप अपने organizational structure को change करते हैं according to the requirements of the time. Second, the organizing department should foster and support an advantageous organizational climate within the management system. And thirdly, finally, the department should develop plans to improve managerial skills to fit current management system needs. Okay, so there are 5 steps in the organizing process and they are presented in the figure displayed. First, there is reflection on plans and objectives, then establishment of major tasks, division of major tasks into subtasks, allocation of resources and directives for subtasks, and finally, the evaluation of the results of implemented organizing strategy. As the figure implies, managers should continually repeat these steps. Through repetition, they obtain feedback that will help them improve the existing organization. इसकी एक एग्जाम्पल हम एक रेस्टोरेंट की मैनेजमेंट से लिंक कर सकते हैं. एक रेस्टोरेंट मैनेजर का जो फर्स्ट स्टेप होगा वो ऑर्गेनाइजिंग प्रोसेस को जिसमें ऑर्गेनाइजिंग प्रोसेस को जब वो इनिशिएट करेगा तो उसका जो फर्स्ट स्टेप होगा वो ये होगा कि उसे अपने रेस्टोरेंट के प्लान्स और ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को रिव्यू करना है, क्योंकि Planning involves determining how the restaurant will attain its objectives, and organizing involves determining how the restaurant's resources will be used to activate those plans. So the restaurant has to start organizing first by understanding the planning function. सेकेंड एंड थर्ड स्टेप्स जो ऑर्गेनाइजिंग प्रोसेस के होंगे वो ये होंगे कि मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम में क्या टास्क परफॉर्म करने हैं. मैनेजर को पहले ये डिसाइड करना है कि उसके रेस्टोरेंट में जो मेजर टास्क किए जाएंगे वो क्या होंगे. दो ऐसे टास्क हो सकते हैं. फर्स्ट कस्टमर्स को सर्व करना एंड द सेकेंड वन वुड बी कुकिंग फूड. देन इन दोनों मेजर टास्क को सब टास्क में डिवाइड किया जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द मैनेजर माइट डिसाइड that serving customers includes the subtasks of taking orders and clearing tables. The fourth organizing step is determining who will take orders, who will clear the tables, and what the details of the relationship between these individuals will be. The size of tables and how they are to be set are other factors to be considered at this point. Then in the fifth step, evaluating the results of the implemented organizing strategy, the manager gathers feedback on how well the strategy is working. This feedback should furnish information that can be used to improve the existing organization. For example, अगर एक मैनेजर ये रियलाइज करता है कि एक टाइप ऑफ टेबल इतनी बड़ी नहीं है and larger ones must be purchased if the restaurant wants to attain its goals of serving a large number of customers. That will be it for this video.